Extreme weather over here, we are actually looking at amazing chance for a large of thunderstorming over time, because that storms are going to be the second season is going to be happening at Wednesday at round at round 4 p round noon or 4 p.m. round 3 or 4. That's when you have lots of cave. And also the little bit chance for supercells and a little bit of tornadoes into fans. But it's a little bit low rotation. But it's a little bit high contingency and also a little bit of wind shear. That's one of those greens. That very rocky mountains wind shear pulling up these strong thunderstorms. Over time, for the next couple of days, so far it's not getting a little bit closer, really far out, predicting those supercells. Well, additionally with that cold air and warm air, I will easily explain about that. When you have like this levels, very heat in the atmosphere is probably pulling up these storms. Let me explain. For these storms coming up and a very strong stress stream is not producing maybe a couple hail storms in there where they missed, but there's not a lot of interesting about it. What's going on with it? The models show you there's intensifying about these storms, but on the radar, when you see maybe the dark color, that's producing on lots of thunderstorming during the Wednesday Oklahoma tornado. I will keep eye on it on this tomorrow event. I mean, on Wednesday event. Could be busy on Wednesday. I need to keep an eye on it. How much this dew point snail going to be crazy advancing with these, though there are lots of cold air and a little bit dry air and very high dew points. And also we have the lots of hysteria on maybe on those Wednesday storms. Like at just at 1 p.m. and you get a little bit higher each of those storms, but it's because this is the second season. There's not going to be a lot of fuel out over the hills, but it's there over time with those storming events. So it's not lots of difference between for those temperature, those coming out and in. See at maybe like tomorrow, around this time, see those clouds pulling upwards. But it's just like that. There's how much difference with the temperature output, and so far there's not a lot of wind shear, but like that so far. But I will maybe better draw out how to show you how warm it is. Next day, maybe I will turn out how play, show you guys how much will be it. But I want to show you how much going to be lots of lightning. These storms are producing a lot of lightning outplay going on over time. The storms are popping up and very quickly at 9 a.m. and get a little bigger and then going to get massive over days. And then that next event is going to be lower but in the northeast because a little bit dew points snail with the cold front, with the climate, with the warm air, yeah, and the temperature anomaly. We do see how much these anomalies will impact those severe weather events. And also you have lots of humidity and lots of interesting on the Friday storms headed towards your area. As well. The back.